Ba-bam! We made magic milk! What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. And today, we have a shout out to Nakia Key. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up. And today, we are making a magic milk. So these are the ingredients we need. Milk, dish soap, and food coloring. Now let's get started. First, we need milk. And it has to be all like that. Let's pour it really slow. It's fine.
You go a little bit more.
I think that's good. I think that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Yep. Now dish soap.
Nope.
Wait, what?
Food coloring.
Food coloring. So I'm gonna go with
Just
two.
Go around.
The circle.
Don't put it directly in the middle. That's where the dish soap goes.
That
Just do a drop. Just do drops.
Oh. What? Nothing. That just sounds really weird.
Yeah.
That's pretty, actually. Casper, my turn. Dwarf one. I'm gonna do one more right here. Now dish soap. Okay, so it's looking pretty so far. Yep. So we need to make this in the middle.
You're gonna ruin it.
Oh, so in the middle?
Yep, just a drop.
Just a drop. Oh God, I'm scared. I'm staying back.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
It's kind of full.
Here we go. Whoa, that's so cool! Look at that, guys. Can we do some? Look at this. That's so pretty. It's pretty.
It is really pretty.
What is that?
Food coloring.
Oh, look right here. Guys, if you want to try this at home, you just need these ingredients. Milk, dish soap, and food coloring. And a plate.
Or a shallow dish.
Or shallow dish. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye! And check out our Instagram. Cons Critters. Bye! Subscribe over here, watch more videos over here, and check out our Instagram, Cons Critters, down here. Bye!